ụmụ ibe ekene m ụnụ ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo, nwanne ụnụ nwoke nọ nso ekene ụnụ. Anyị nwawo ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo, ndị agha a na-ekwu maka ha, ndị agha si n'eluigwe gbadata n'ụwa wee bịa ka anyị wetara ụnụ oziọma nke Amadioha, oziọma nke si n'igwe wee bịa. Ọ bụ ihe anyị jiri bịa. Anyị si na anyị ga-ekene eke, kene orie, kene afọ, kene nkwọ, kene ndị mbụ, kene ndị ọkpụ, kene ndị egede, kene ndị ndozi ọdịnala Igbo. Ụmụ ibe, asị m na ọ ga-adịrị ụnụ na mma. Isiokwu anyị n'ụbọchị nke taata ga-abụ maka the way forward for Africa. Only way forward for Africa. The only way forward. There is no other way. There is no other way. Number one, look at Africa. Nothing is growing there. Nothing. Everything is upside down. Ask them simple question. They will point to the West. Hey, Europeans are doing this. Hey, this one, Muslim are doing this. Christians are doing this. Traditionalists are doing every time, always excuses, and one after the other. The only way forward for Africa is the way forward for everybody in the world. Every human being is a human being first, before another thing. If Africa want to prove to the world that they are human beings, they must prove it. There is only, nothing more, nothing less. Number one for the solution, tribalism. Tribalism. Africa should remove tribalism for their system. Religion. Africa should remove religion from their system. Period. If you remove tribalism, remove religion, there won't be anything like war. There won't be anything like destruction. Period. Because, okay, look at Nigeria, for example, the case to be studied. They fought a war. They fought a war. And this war does not teach them anything. Now they are blaming everybody. They blame the people fighting for freedom, and the people fighting for freedom blaming the government. Small case to solve is say never again. That war and what brought to the war, because Nigeria doesn't have peace as every other Africans. The problem is tribalism and religion, period. Religion is of the mind. Ndị Igbo so na ụka dị n'obi. Religion is a freedom of expression, not a government institution. No. Religion is not a government institution. That is what is killing Africa. They don't understand between religion and the government. They don't understand. Everywhere in the world they have religion, but you cannot put religion first before the people. It doesn't do it. If you do it, you have chaos. People, because human being, most of human beings don't have thinking faculty. If you give them this, they will ask you this. That is what you see everywhere in the world. Only way forward for Africa is say no to tribalism, say no to racism, say no to prejudice, say no to injustice. Because all this tribalism butere this religion, all this religion butere prejudice, all prejudice butere injustice, one after the other. Enye ndị ebe, enye ndị ebe. If you remove tribalism, the religion will go away. Because religion is of the mind, not an institution of the government. So, if people get tribalism, the next thing, because religion is race. Religion is race. Oh, so in a boson, you gotta go. So, what you see as racism today is caused by religion. If you remove religion, there won't be anything like racism. So people should understand that religion, they have, yes, right to worship, but it's up to you. It's you, not the government. But if you institutionalize religion, you have a problem. That is why in Africa, no government want to talk, because all this government, they benefit from this brainwash of the pastors. They benefit from it. That's why they don't say anything. The pastors milking the youth, the poor people, debt. The government and the governors are there because all of them are the beneficiary of that. That is the case. So two things killing Africa is tribalism and religion, period. Another thing again, our people, there is something wrong with their psychic mentality. There is something wrong with their psychic mentality. Gịnị bụ that thing? They always think that somebody else will do it for them. Somebody else will do it for them. Nobody will do anything for you. Nobody will do anything for you. If you want something, you have to do it yourself. Number one, remove this your negative thoughts, negative emotion. Remove it from yourself. This your negative emotion is killing you. Remove it. Enwere ihe ọma na-emere gị. Ever since you doing all this negative mindset, nothing. It has never done anything good for you. Never. Everybody want to leave Nigeria. All the whole doctors, graduate, everybody is running away from that country. Why? Because no unemployment everywhere. No employment, unemployment everywhere. Why? We are human beings. Employment are created by human beings. That is why we are here. So maybe only thing I actually wetara n'ụbọchị nketa that one thing. Ebe ahụ na-eji ụzọ adịrị ya. Say no to tribalism. Say no to racism. Say no to prejudice and say no to injustice. These things covers tribalism, state of origin. That thing is nonsense or make no sense. Gịnị bụ state of origin? How long will we live in this mess? How long ka unu ga-esi otu a na-ebi? He is Igbo, he is Hausa, he is Yoruba. Who don't know before? Why must you make it a state of something? A government issue. So people don't know where they came from again. Why must you make it a government issue? That is what our people should be talking about. Your problem now is, first of all, let this system change these things. Because if they don't change it, you can never fight any government. Because if you go and say, is our brother, is our turn, is our brother, is our turn. So you will fight individually. And the voice and a tree cannot make an ocean. A tree cannot make a forest. So for you to start, for the beginning first, this tribalism must stop. If not, you can't succeed in anything. Unless you must be brain to create employment, create job for yourself. Yes. Because wisdom have no limit. You got that? Only in a decent environment in the east, you will go to the west. If you don't have in the west, you go to the north. If you don't have in the north, you go to Ghana. So because mgbe nne na nna ya nwụrụ nna na adịghị onye n'isi. So if you wise, you always navigate and maneuver. So if you bring in chaos in your land, the rich people will not invest. And if they don't invest, you will suffer because you don't know how to move forward. You can't do anything. So peace is in your own interest. Any poor man making trouble doesn't have common sense. Peace is your interest. Is in your interest. If you make peace, the rich people will come and invest in your land. You will have job, your brother, your sister, your mother, your father. So stop this nonsense problems. My problem is about Nigeria or Africa or whatever. My problem is you. Because an institution of somebody's company, it was a business. And because you have to understand these things. Or somebody's business. And you ndị Igbo sị na ọbanabara ga-esibe ogologo. Ọnabara ga-esibe ogologo. No, you cannot. You gaghị jekwu onye ịmụ na oge etimo gịnị anụ work. You can't fight somebody you know it's more stronger than you. You don't do that. You gotta go. So nke nwa na onwe gị na-akọ this government, this, that. Oh, British people you are insulting. Ahapụrụ gị na ha ọgụ ga-etigbu ha. You can't win them in the war fight. Nowhere. You are giving example of Taliban, this, blah, blah, blah. So you maghị ihe na-eme dị ọ dị ka Taliban ọ ga-emeri nwa America? Do you think so? ị chere na Taliban ga-emeri nwa Amerịka? Uche ọdịkwa gị mma. Ndị be chere bụ uche. So America will not surrender for Taliban. Ọgwa eziokwu ka ihe ndị be anyị na-eche. Nwanne lekwa anya ka m gwa gị something. Ngụwa bụ eji onwe gị naanị. Ịghọtago? The best thing for ndị Igbo niile a sị na akụ na ruo na amara onye kparịa na mmadụ na-adị na mma n'ụlọ wepụkwa n'ama. Ndị kpọrọ onwe ha ndị Igbo, the best thing for you is to look for way to secure your land. You got to go. The best thing, make peace in your land. Make peace in your land. Igbo people nwere ego. Many Igbo people nwere ego. Ihe a na-enweghị idea. Ndozi ọdịnala Igbo, anyị nwere onwe anyị ji idea wee bịa, business ideas, thousands of them. But if you say there will be no peace in Igbo land, you will stay there. Agụ egbuo gị ebe ahụ, gbuo ụmụ gị, gbuo nwunye gị. So the best thing will make peace. You know, nobody is against your agitation or you whatever. No, that is not the case. The case peace must be there for there to be investment. Period. Whether you fight your agitation or not, that one is your own personal problem. But one thing, guarantee peace, then we guarantee development. If you guarantee peace, we guarantee development, bring jobs, everything over. But if you don't guarantee peace, you will stay there, hungry will kill you there. So ụmụ ibe, ka dịbara na mma.